Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. So 2 episodes ago, we looked at using angled die cuts to create drama and added interest. And this week, we're looking at curves. I've got 3 designs to show you, so let's take a closer look. Let's start really simple with this 2-panel postcard style mailer with a curved cover panel. The curve makes it interesting to open, and when flat, the overall shape is nice too. This was a great solution for a pointed message, and adding the curved panel was a nice way to have a clean look on the outside. The cover was fugitive glued for mail. Next is a sample I'm bringing back from episode 15. Yep, 635 episodes ago, I shared this roll fold with a curved cover panel. I like how they used the half circle die cut and half circle graphics to optically create a full circle on the first 2 interior panels when opened, and how nicely it all works together. It's really just a simple modification to a classic 4-panel roll fold brochure. Lastly, I've got a nice idea I'm bringing back from episode 141. This is a trifold with curved corners, not only on the cover, but also when you open it all the way up, you'll see a glueless pocket with a curved opposing corner and a matching curved business card as well. This simple detail adds a lot of style to the finished piece and creates a cohesive brand look to boot. I love a simple idea, and there are so many ways to work a curve into different marketing and promotional materials, and even holiday designs. A die cut is an added production cost, of course, but a generic curve-shaped die could potentially be reused on other projects in the future too. See, there's always a bright side to consider. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.